Are you ready for an affordable, lightweight, foldable scooter, but you're not ready to sacrifice quality and performance? Well, if you answered yes, then it's time we introduced you to Speedy, the latest addition to the EWheels line of unique scooters. Speedy is the fastest indoor-outdoor foldable scooter available on the market today, which will allow you the convenience of a portable scooter with the speed, driving range, and weight capacity of a larger scooter. The new Speedy comes with large front and rear tires, along with a 450-watt hub motor, which allows this scooter to reach a top speed of 11 miles per hour. And unlike other scooters of its size, the Speedy can travel up to 30 miles on one single charge and has a weight capacity of up to 350 pounds. Yes, all of these amazing features from a foldable scooter. Now, while Speedy may be small in size, it does not lack storage space. It comes with a front basket and a space for extra storage on the back of the scooter as well. For easy transportation and storage, the scooter can be folded in 4 easy steps and has a convenient retractable pull handle when Speedy is folded. Store it in a closet or keep it in the trunk of your car. Better yet, you can even store 2 scooters in the trunk of your car. Need to use Speedy in tight quarters? No problem. This scooter has a turning radius of 40 inches and comes with electromagnetic brakes for added peace of mind. The new Speedy scooter by EWheels, the fastest, lightweight, foldable indoor-outdoor scooter on the market today.